siya sa autograph signing. Let's take a look kung alike nga ang ating contestant number 3.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Naninibago ka.
Welcome back, ma.
Manila. But before we start the party, man, one thing to remember, live your life to the fullest, but also love everyone's around you, just like I love you guys. No one else. Yo, drop it!
Contestant number 3, Ivan Charles Murphy and Chris Brown.
Yo, what's up, man?
Hey, what's up, Chris Brown? What's up?
Welcome to Showtime, bro.
Yes, nice to be back, Philippines.
Can I ask, when was the last time you were in the Philippines?
I think last 2015, I held a concert here. A little bit struggle, but it's all good, man.
Yeah.
It's all good. I miss this vibe.
Chris Brown. Chris, you have dirt. You have dirt here.
No,
That's a
bigote yan, kuya.
No, that's it.
No, after this Showtime, Rocksteady have a concert later, right?
No, that's not the drama.
That's not Jet Baculio.
Jeff Baculio?
Hindi yan yung drummer namin.
I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
Chris Brown.
Are you feeling jet lagged, Chris Brown?
Yeah.
From LA to Manila?
Yeah, a little bit jet lag, but still good, man.
Still
Chris
good, man.
Brown, is the mic smelly? Because you put like this.
No, just as a style, man.
What?
Good shit. That's a style, man. Yeah, Chris Brown, can you teach us your dance a while ago? You look like that.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, hey.
hey.
That again?
Hey.
Oh, wow. How about that? Yeah, I like that.
I like your song. I like that song.
That's why.
Tatlong bibe.
What?
Bibe? Oh, I heard. Merong tatlong bibe.
No,
Merong tatlong bibe.
Galing ah.
Narinig mo pa yung tatlong bibig.
Yeah. Chris Brown, do you know the Filipino delicacy tok neneng?
Why?
Not familiar, but
No, how about the one day old? The one day old is very nice also.
Hindi siya yun, si Chris Brown.
Why?
Hindi siya joke, neneng.
Akala ko kanina si Iggy Boy Flores.
Oo. Akala ko nga paglikod si Asi Taulaba, magbabasketball.
Hindi, Chris Brown siya.
Chris Brown. Who told you you looked like Chris Brown, yo?
Why? Ba't tinatanong yun?
I'm just curious. Who
Parang
told
may
you?
galit si ate.
actually, my friends told me, my other group mates, when I was a dancer before.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of Street Boys, man.
Oh, yeah!
Thank you, Chris Brown.
Since day one.
Grabe.
You know what? You look like Chris Brown, bro. You look like Chris Brown. Chris Brown is in the house. Let's go, Wanda people!
Can you sing in a cappella?
Just a sample.
Just a little bit.
Any
song,
Chris
any-
Brown song.
Any
Any
Chris
song.
Brown song.
Any original
How about
song.
Totoy Bibo, you know?
No.
I wanna take you down. I really wanna take you down and show you what I'm about. Can I take it now? Your body, oh, your body up and down.
Hey, Chris Brown, let's go, man!
Can you sing Super Ingo, please? Super Ingo.
Why Super Ingo?
What's Super Ingo, man?
Superhero!
Oh yeah, the theme song, Super Ingo, the superhero.
Yes.
Hindi siya yun, hindi nga siya yun. So do you have an upcoming concert?
Yes.
For now, I have an upcoming world tour this 2025. I'm preparing for that. Making new songs on my studio.
Wow.
Are you having a hard time, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, very
You
sorry,
know
very
what,
sorry.
Kuya Jong? May beke kasi si Chris Brown. Alam mo yung violet na nilalagay dito. Ito yun. Yung side view, Chris Brown.
Tina?
Balbas na niya.
Uy, napura! Ba't hinawakan mo napura? Tingnan mo! Tingnan mo!
Touch it! Kulang sa brown.
Tamo may daliri ito, no?
Chris Brown, please
Yeah.
forgive me.
What?
Big shout-outs to my kalokalike here in the Philippines. His name is King Murph. I'm rooting on you, brother, for your upcoming album this coming December.
Oh, yeah.
His first solo album from
Oh.
local scene. Yeah.
King Murph.
King Murph.
The son
Siya
of
yun.
Papa Smurf.
Kim Murph?
Murphy.
Your kaloka-like.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
This is you. What's your single? Can you do a sample? Of your kaloka-like.
Go here, move forward.
No bad words, okay? We don't want to go to Hong Kong.
Sige ba, sige ba. Ang tagal ko nang hinihintay yung gabi na to.
Uy, tatagalog
Di man tayo noon pinagtagpo. Pero andito ka na ngayon sa tabi ko. Saan pa ba paabutin to? Nakakulong na sa isang kwarto. Mga bulong mo sa akin sabi mo. Gusto mo na ngang ibigay ang iyong Yeah.
Wow, magaling ha? Oh, that's so cool. Chris Brown can sing in Tagalog.
I know, right?
A little bit, brother.
Chris Brown? No, that's not Chris Brown.
That's,
Who's this?
Chris Black. Because we have black here.
no, that's Chris Yellow.
Yeah.
Do you have any crush, girl crush here in the
Yes.
Philippines?
Crush is
Remember,
paghanga.
crush is paghanga.
Yes.
Yeah, paghanga. The one and only Miss Ann Curtis.
Yeah.
Wow, thank you.
Can you teach her
The
your
dance. Yes, ang galing naman ni Chris Brown.
Galing.
Grabe. At ito na nga, alamin na natin ang hatol ng madla kay contestant number 3, Chris Brown, mula kina Ryan and Ian.
Thank you so much, Kiki! Tanungin natin, hatol ng Manila People Daddy! Manila People! Kaloka or Kaloka Live! Wow! Dito naman tayo sa taas, Daddy!
Mix ulit sila, baby boy. Dito. Dito.
Yan, okay. Kuya Arvin, Kuya Emody!
Ito.
Yan. Hello. Ay, ano po kayo?
Meron tatlong bibi, oh.
Sabi niya, sa grupo nila, siya daw Chris Brown.
Chris Brown, tayo ka, please. Tayo ka.
Ano pangalan
Ayan.
mo?
Tayo ka. Ayan. Ano pangalan mo?
I'm MJ po.
MJ.
MJ.
Taga saan ka?
I'm from Northern Samar po.
Samar. Kilala mo naman siguro si Chris Brown, no?
Yes,
Oh.
yes.
Anong kaloka-like? So,
Bakit
tingin
kaloka-like?
mo, kaloka-like talaga siya.
Yung face niya, then yung bigote, then yung size ng ulo niya, like...
Size ng ulo niya. Medium. Anong size? Small, medium?
Extra small.
Tapos?
Then, gusto ko din, parang I love him because he's doing the least and love that for you.
He's doing the list.
Sa grupo mo, sino ikaw kaloka-like?
It's K. It's Kada with a K. From Drag Race Season 3 po.
Baka may ano ka naman dyan, baka may talent ka tinatago, baka may...
Ano ba talent mo?
Sample.
Sample! Drag race?
Alarma! Let's go!
Wala ka sample?
Wala po.
Wala ka sample?
Walking.
Oo.
Ano yun natin? Paano?
Hey. Hey.
Tuwag-tuwa sa'yo yung mga kaibigan mo.
Mga kaibigan.
Oo. Okay, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat mga quiz. Ngayon naman pakinggan na natin ang komento ng nag-iisang Horado, Rufa May Quinto.
Yes, good afternoon. Muntik na ako mag-nosebleed, kaka-English ha. At saka nagtataka ako, ano ba yan, foil? Ano yung nandito mo?
Ano yan?
Ano po siya? Silver grills po.
Talagang pinalagay mo yan, yung ipin?
Yes po.
Hindi yan foil.
Hindi po.
Oo, sana foil. Hindi, gusto ko lang kasi, di ba ginugel ko na nga yung meaning ng kaloka-like. Ngayon,
Rufa May,
okay
kailangan
lang.
daw English kasi.
Sige.
Ano
The
yung
meaning of judge or jurado
judge,
in
okay.
Tagalog. Okay?
What's the
A
meaning of
group
judge?
of persons chosen to decide in the law of court. Yes. And they deliberately, before presenting their decision to the court, Jurado, translated to English as jury.
Yun pala yun.
Ay, nag-research talaga ako.
Galing mo.
Kasi hindi nyo binigay yung password ng Wi-Fi. Buti na lang,
Sorry.
review ako.
Marami kasi nung gumagamit.
Yes, oo nga. At saka siyempre, teka lang, pwede ba mag-promote?
Pwede, pwede.
Mujige, kasi kanina may Korean. So, Mujige po sa October 9 in all SM Cinemas. Exclusive po yan. Starring Kim Jisoo, Rairi, and Alexa Ilaca, Direk Randolph Longhas. Ayan. Yung nag-direct sa amin sa Last One Laughing tsaka sa Comedy Island. Yon. So, palabas na yun sa October 9.
Lakay, congratulations.
Thank you.
Direk Randolph.
Yes, and I'd like to thank all the Madlang people for trending myself every day. Yes. And to the USA family and friends, fans, that's all. Pero you know what? You don't look like Chris Brown.
Really?
Sino ba kamukha niya?
I don't know.
You don't know? Not even a little bit?
No.
Wiki, meron naman.
But, meron. Pag nakaganon. Ayun,
Paano pag naka...
Ganon. Tingnan mo yung picture, the picture.
Oh, kasi ganon yung
Tsaka
picture
yung leather yan patent leather yata yung damit. But the outfit is for workout. Not for concert.
At least
Practice pa lang
same color.
Malapit na po.
Practice pa lang kasi ito.
How about the hair?
The hair is not to pay or what? No.
It's original.
It's
Yeah, it's original, yeah.
So how did you color? Dye? You dye yourself?
Yeah,
Buhay pa siya, buhay pa.
one of my
dye.
hair dye, bleach.
Bleach niya. Bleach mo?
Yeah, with the help of my homie.
With who's your homie?
Taga din po sa amin.
Yeah.
Marunong ka pala
Tagalog. Ano pala mag-Tagalog? Ikaw talaga,
Konti.
Bong, pinapahirapan mo kami.
I'm so sorry.
Ayun. So, congratulations in advance. Yun lang. Meron pa ba dapat sabihin?
Back to you guys.
Back to you.
Maraming salamat, Jurado Rupa Mequito. Mga Jurado, maaari nyo nang ibigay ang inyong hatol kay Ivan Charles Murphy, ang Chris Brown ng Manila.
Yes, at ngayon tawagin na natin muli si contestant number 1 at si contestant number 2. Tingnan natin ang hatol sa kanila ng mga hurado.
Homie, dito ka, homie. Yeah. Okay, para kay contestant number 1, si Curso Adriano, ang Gong Yu ng Quezon City. Ito ang hatol ng mga hurado.
Kaloka. Naku, tatlong kaloka.
Oy, nalungkot.
Sad tuloy siya.
Nalungkot siya pero may dimples pa rin.
Cute pa rin.
Gwapo pa rin. Ito naman para contestant number 2, Franz Emmanuel Sales, ang Mimiya ng Montalban, Rizal. Ito ang hatol ng mga hurado. Kaloka-like.
Oy, number 3 is getting nervous.
Oh, but wait, there's more. Let's see. Para kay contestant number 3, Ivan Charles Murphy, ang Chris Brown ng Manila. Ito ang hatol ng mga hurado. Kaloka.
What? That's okay.
Tanggalin mo yung shades mo. Tanggalin mo yung shades mo. Balik ka rito, Dick Israel. Pwede.
Israel yan!
Ha? Pwede, Dick Israel.
Pwede. What is your question?
Bakit kayo umalis kanina doon?
Saan?
Nung nagsasalita ako.
Kailangan kasi
Dito yung vlogging namin, Rupa May.
Sandali lang.
Lord Director ka ba?
Ayaw, iniiwasan niyo na naman ako
Gusto mo ba maging host o director?
Kasi dito yung announcement.
Okay.
Di ba 2 weeks ka na dito?
Para lang clear
Thank
at
you,
sure
thank
sa
you.
Madlang people.
Ang ating kaloka-like winner ngayong araw ay si Franz Emmanuel Sales, ang Mimiya ng Montalban, Rizal.
Yes, congratulations, Mimi. Makakatanggap ka ng 15,000 pesos.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsali. Cursulo Adriano and Gong Yu ng Quezon City at Ivan Charles Murphy, ang Chris Brown, ang Manila. Mag-uwi pa rin kayo ng 5,000 pesos.
Abangan ang next attraction sa mga Kalokalike na inaabangan ng buong nation. This is...
Kalokalike Phase 4!